Hello guys, today we are doing a train journey from Poplar to Charlton station via Greenwich and via Canary Wharf and Greenwich. So please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to not miss out more videos. So hope you will enjoy this video. So because of the marathon they just changed stuff. So today trains to Canary Wharf are on platform 3. My dad said we could use the lift, but now we are using the stairs. There's my brother carrying a heavy Bible, bro. Because we just came back from church, guys. It ain't heavy, bro. Why are you holding it like a girl kind of bag, bro? You mad, bro? I'm gonna ask my dad if I should pay for this. Oh, our train just arrived right now. So
the next train at platform 3 is for Canary Wharf.
Alright. And off we go. Flip. We're gonna have to stand. So we are at Canary Wharf, guys. Now we are getting the train to Greenwich. Oh, this is our train to Greenwich. Quickly get on. Phew. Close bit, close bit. Oh, finally, we're going on.
After you upon the train is now ready to depart, please don't mind closing doors.
Thank you, Jack, for carrying my bag.
I wonder what the next stop is over there.
Deptford Bridge.
This way.
So we are at the National Road platform now, guys. Do I touch there, Daddy?
No. Yours doesn't allow you.
It did one time with Uncle Das at Sydenham Station. It allowed me.
Yeah, because I believe mommy put some money in your...
Don't know why I can't hear the engine inside of it. Come on, Jack, let's go.
Come on.
At least you saved us from almost getting stuck out the train, Daddy, at Greenwich Station. So this is the end of the video. Like I mentioned earlier, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to not miss out on more videos, and goodbye.